हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू क्रिकेट टीवी। मैं हूं हेतवी पटेल और हमारे साथ आज जुड़े हुए हैं नारायण पिसारी और निखिल मोरसावाला। In this episode of in this segment of mid-season review, we will talk about the mid four of currently at the middle of the table. That is Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, Lucknow Super Giants, and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Two of us supports the seventh and fourth number of the team quite with our heart. So, yes, let's start with Narayan, sir. What do you think?
Good evening. So I'll take the uh, two teams, Bangalore and Lucknow first.
Okay.
Let's take it two to wise instead of giving all
Yeah.
four,
Yeah.
basically. So Bangalore, I was just discussing with somebody कि वो अभी भगवान भरोसे चल रहे हैं actually. B for Bangalore or B for भगवान भरोसे. So उधर भी क्या है? They are also now relying only on a David. Salt काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, और विराट थोड़ा सा पिकअप किया है चांस. Only thing which I found in that match yesterday was the bowling of Shuas Sharma. The way he, even under tough conditions, the way
The
a
ball
very
was
young
turning.
guy.
He was turning the ball a lot. The ball was
हाँ,
turning.
हाँ. इवन आप देखोगे तो हेजलवुड के पास भी 12 विकेट है.
Yes.
So he is a joint purple cap, but then एवरेज थोड़ा सा 3 एक रन का
Economy rate
उसका
is
ज्यादा है
economy rate is
compared
bad.
to
Yes.
Sorry.
no
Yeah.
AM Livingston. So as a team, they are doing quite well. लेकिन मतलब as a team now they have to gel more in fact. I feel so. And इतना अच्छा भूवी भी yesterday moved out quite good, चल रहा है उसका भी काम. But the way जो उसका लास्ट 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, that he should put it to
Yes.
play basically. So I think they have a good chance. They are already on say 8 today, and then want to take it
Yeah.
ahead basically.
Yes.
अभी भी
Yes.
सात सात मैचेस सबके बाकी हैं मोटा मोटी. तो देखा जाएगा कैसे होता है. लेट्स वर्क आउट.
Yeah.
Lucknow.
So,
Lucknow is again. I still feel they are now. They have a orange cap in Puran,
yes.
so they are doing there quite well. Of course, Marsh is picking up. बडोनी भी थोड़ा सा काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन माक्रम मिलर ये कुछ अभी ज्यादा जिस तरह से उनका काम काज है वही चल रहा है. एंड अगेन दे आर रिलाइंग ऑन शार्दुल और बिश्नोई बेसिकली
Yeah.
ओनली इन द बॉलिंग. तो उनको भी दे शुड बी वर्किंग आउट गुड. दे शुड अगेन ट्राई दिग्वेश राठी. ही इज अ गुड बॉलर, तो उसको भी लेना चाहिए. दे शुड ट्राई टू वर्क आउट. तो मेरे को लगता है कि द वे दे आर जेलिंग, दे हैव टू जेल इट मोर बेसिकली. एंड इट इज अमंग द वन ऑफ द फोर टीम्स जिसको अभी तक कप नहीं मिला है. बाकी सबको कप मिला हुआ है, तो उनको मिलना चाहिए कप बेसिकली.
दोनों को.
तो ऐसा है. लेट्स सी हाउ टू वर्क आउट. दे हैव नो अ गुड कैप्टन, सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स आउट. देखते हैं.
Yeah, I
Sir?
think
निखिल.
from a I would say from a form perspective, between Lucknow and Bengaluru, I think Bengaluru seems to be in the decline. It did well initially. So you saw the first few matches where they really did well. They came in with a bang. The first match they won, and then like Virat Kohli's, that sense that this is the 18th edition and 18 is a lucky number, his T-shirt number, 18th edition of the IPL. So this should be his year. But then somewhere along the line, they've sort of somewhere something's happened. I don't know what, but if you saw the last match that they played was it yesterday, I think that was really, the conditions were bad, no doubt about it. But it was not that the opposition had some fantastic bowlers and they had to worry about them. I think they were good bowlers, no doubt, but they were not that dangerous bowlers. Pitch was playing up, but the pitch was playing for both the sides, right? Not only for RCB. So I think the fact that they did not capitalize, knowing it's a 14 over game. See, you know what happens when you have a 20 over game, your strategy is different. 14 over game, your strategy is different. You didn't see that in the RCB play. That 14 over का match है, be careful. Play this way or play that way. I अपने normal बस खेल रहे थे. तो I think there somewhere, I think I would say though I am respecting Rajat Patidar a lot now as a captain, I think he's come into his own. Yesterday in the batting, I think his presence was missing. I didn't think he was telling the batsman what to do. He should have. And on the field, he was great. I think he didn't allow the opposition to think that the kya hai, easy है मैं 10 ओवर में कर दूंगा. He gave a tough fight. I think that's because of his captaincy and the way he uses bowlers and the fielding, etc. That was reasonably good. So I think that thing, and of course, Punjab's attitude was killer attitude yesterday. The way they were taking catches and they were fielding and they were bowling, that team spirit that you saw, I think that just completely overshadowed Bangalore. So from that perspective, between say Lucknow and Bengaluru, Lucknow somehow looks more on the ascendancy. Rishabh Pant still looks like one fine day is going to explode. He's not yet exploded. Once he plays and does that 50, 60, 80 runs in 5 overs, he can change the course of the game. So I would between the two, whilst I think, and with due respect to Hetwi, I support RCB, and I love Virat Kohli because he's a great player and he's been one of the greats of the Indian team. So he deserves to go out in a blaze of glory rather than go out. And I sense this is the last IPL. I don't see him playing a very big role in the next IPL. I think he's nearing the end of his
Mm.
IPL career. So one would want RCB to win from an emotional perspective because you want Virat Kohli to go out with a bang rather than a whimper. He deserves it. He's the whatever he's done for cricket for India is fantastic. His attitude on the field, he taught youngsters to be aggressive, like Saurav Ganguly did in our age. Narayan, if you remember, they were very docile, and Indians were
Yeah,
supposed
yeah,
to lack the killer instinct. It was only when
correct,
Saurav Ganguly came in and started taking off his t-shirt and doing what he did, and then
yes,
Virat Kohli
yeah,
types
yeah,
of people came and
correct,
like MC, BC, in your face, and
correct.
always at it, always at it. I think he changed the face of Indian cricket. So he deserves to be in the winning side. So from that perspective, RCB, but from a form perspective, I'm looking at LSG slightly having an edge unless RCB changes its, sort of, I think its mindset becomes more positive and aggressive. For the other two, KKR, MI, both have potential. Uh, More KKR, less MI, because I think Ajinkya Rahane has done a great job. He's taken over from Shreyas Iyer. Not that he's not allowed that absence to be felt. He's stepped into the shoes of Shreyas wonderfully well. He has been aggressive. He has been batting very well. And he's batting aggressively well, which is very unlike Ajinkya. So I think, and the captaincy, of course, Captain Cool, we gave him that the crown last Sunday.
Yes.
So all three of us agreed that he is one of the best leaders to have. And so I think KKR, between KKR and MI, I would put KKR more chances of qualifying in the top four than MI. But the MI is very, ephemeral. It sometimes it's very bright, shines very brightly. Sometimes अमावस आ जाता है, न न चांद दिखता है, न तारे दिखते हैं, सिर्फ बुमराह का वो बुमराह रन्स देता है और विकेट नहीं लेता है, और कभी कभी पूरा सूरज निकल आता है उनका. तो वो जो है, मेरे ख्याल से उनका जो inconsistency, which is also applicable to RCB. I think
Yeah.
between MI and RCB, very inconsistent. Therefore, I would say not those two, but LSG and KKR on
Mhm.
form, on record, on the fact that they have been playing reasonably well. I think I would put those two more ahead than the other two. Hetvi?
Definitely. नहीं, मुंबई इंडियंस, yes, I mean, we have seen the on and off. अभी कुछ कर रहे हैं, they are on their, like, it looks like they are winning, but then again, I don't see anything reliable. or रोहित शर्मा का फॉर्म है कि उनके पास जो हार्दिक पांड्या एंड बुमराह कैन ओनली डू सो मच. The team needs to come together to put up a score, put up a table, like to climb up the table. I think, yes, I mean, Mumbai Indians will have to work very hard to walk from here, because Surya Kumar Yadav se काफी expectations hai, and he hasn't been fulfilling it either. So yes, between KKR and Mumbai Indians, KKR has the edge, and KKR is looking very proper, very decent, with Ajinkya Rahane being the anchor throughout. Like, consistent performance diya hai. And Sunil Narayan on and off, but then he has shown his flashes, like you said. Vaibhav Arora, I think there's somebody else as well. But yeah, KKR is
And
looking really
Varun has
Varun
been performing
Chakravarti.
well with the
Yes,
ball. Yeah.
yes. So Kolkata Knight Riders is looking better in that sense. What about you, Narayan sir? What do you think?
What about
So,
RCB? Hello, Hetvi, you forgot RCB.
I didn't forget RCB. I sneakily put it under the rug. No, I think for me as a fan who has been following RCB, I do see a different team. क्योंकि कल के मैच में अगर पुरानी आरसीबी टीम होती, I don't think they would have taken the match up to 12.3 overs. So I sort of see that as a plus. I am trying to see silver lining everywhere where there's RCB. So they're doing their bit somewhere क्योंकि उनका bowling इतना अच्छा नहीं था, and now with Tim David it's looking a little better. So I don't know, good luck to them. I hope they win. पर अभी काफी सारे मैच उनके चेन्नई सॉरी बैंगलोर में होंगे, चिन्ना स्वामी में होंगे, जहाँ पे उनका रिकॉर्ड बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है. So that's
तीन
that's
पे
not
तीन
going.
लॉस है, 3 पे 3 लॉस
Yes.
है.
So that's not going to help them. So yeah, let's
So,
see.
so I was reading somewhere that in the first IPL and today in this IPL, two players are common. One is Virat Kohli and one is Ishan Sharma.
Yeah.
वो फर्स्ट भी खेल रहा है और 18th भी, दोनों 18th भी, बीच में गैप हुआ
Okay.
होगा, बट हाँ, आई एम स्टिल नॉट श्योर व्हाई एमएसडी इज नॉट देयर इन द फर्स्ट. वो देखना पड़ेगा मेरे को कहीं पे जाके, बट आई समवेयर आई रेड. सो दिस इज जस्ट टू ऐड व्हाट
Yeah, yeah.
निखिल वाज सेइंग कि कुछ नहीं तो सेंटिमेंटल के हिसाब से अगर विदा करना है कोहली साहब को तो एक कप देके विदा करे बेसिकली. लेकिन yesterday I was seeing one clip where they showed the wickets of Virat, Patidar and Salt. All 3 wickets went in the same direction. Same shot selection, which was not desired.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि बारिश नहीं होती है, बारिश के
They
बाद
played
गेम कम
miserably
नहीं
yesterday.
होते और इंडिया में बारिश नहीं होती है और बारिश में नहीं गेम खेलते. I
Absolutely.
fully agree with निखिल कि थोड़ा सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग, 14 ओवर का गेम है, कहाँ शॉट सिलेक्शन करना है, कैसे करना है ना, तो दे बिकेम टू रेकलेस. वो तो 18 रन नहीं मिलते लास्ट में डेविड साहब के, तो ये तो 75 पे आ जाते हैं इन लोग तो कभी,
Absolutely. 50
है
out
ना.
of 26. He made 50 of 26
Yeah.
deliveries.
लेकिन
I think
बीच में एक बार स्केयर दे दिया था उन्होंने 5 विकेट के आसपास, जब तक वडेरा नहीं चला वो हिसाब से. सो माय टेक ऑन कलकत्ता एंड मुंबई इज मुंबई हैज टू शो देयर इम्पैक्ट नाउ अगेन. रियली उनका जो इम्पैक्ट है उनको दिखाना पड़ेगा. दे कैन नॉट रिलाई ओनली ऑन अ पंड्या. रोहित को तुम चलना पड़ेगा, बुमराह, बोल्ट इतना ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं अभी भी. दीपक चाहर इज अ गुड प्लेयर, यू नो, somehow or the other is not been performing,
yeah.
and they should try both Vignesh Pathur and Kern Sharma also. कर्ण शर्मा ने दोनों ने एक एक अच्छा मैच खेला है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिकल्टन खेल रहे हैं, तिलक, सब लोग खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा उनको और आपका करना पड़ेगा. अभी 6 पॉइंट्स हैं, अभी अनदर 10 7 मैचेस टू गो, क्योंकि यहाँ मेरे को लग रहा है कि 18 और 20 तो चाहिए पॉइंट, 18 तो पॉइंट चाहिए एक्चुअली खेलने के लिए.
Unless Rohit Sharma, see again I come back to basics. The basics are what your captain, your anchor player, right, has to play. Like what happened with Hyderabad when Travis Head was playing. Hyderabad is at the top. Travis Head doesn't play, you have an issue. With Mumbai, you must have Rohit Sharma on the top of the order, making that 50-60 runs in the power play. He has to do that. Otherwise, what happens is that a lot of pressure comes on the later batsmen, and you don't have the quality of those batsmen they're not the best in the business. So you have to, Rohit and Surya Kumar, these two people, there's a lot of burden goes on Hardik to make up, towards the
Yes,
end, which
yes,
and then
yes,
he has
yes,
to
yes.
bowl well, bat well, captain well, field well, do everything. Not going to happen. So I think Rohit has to play his role. You can't make 19 runs in 11 balls and say, I did my job. That's not your job. Your job is to make
Correct.
50, 60 runs in the first 6 overs. You, as an individual. So that 6 overs must get you 75, 80, 85. That's what you're known for, right? You have that legend that Rohit Sharma aata hai, you call him a hitman for what? Why is a hitman? You're a hitman
Correct.
because you hit those sixes, right? Where are the
Yes.
sixes gone? So I think he has to come to the party. If in Mumbai have to make a dent, run rate is going to be important. You're going to be seeing a lot of teams at the same points. at the end of the tournament. A lot of people will be on 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. And what's going to be important? Your net run rate. What's going to help the net run rate? Scoring fast. Who's going to help to score fast? Rohit Sharma. So it's all going to boil down to that one man, according to me. If Mumbai want to make it to the top four, Rohit Sharma has to play.
No, I'll
Definitely.
take a corollary from corporate law. Corporate law, Nikhil will understand what I'm saying, and even Hetu will understand. There is a concept in company law which says there is a director. Suppose he's a foreign director, you can have an alternate director for him. Correct. So अब क्या हो रहा है कि रोहित शर्मा को इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर बना दिया है, तो वो पहले तो 20 ओवर में फील्डिंग करता नहीं है,
Yeah.
फिर वो बैटिंग करने आता है एज ए इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर। तो मेरे को लगता है उसके दिमाग में कुछ पॉसिबली सेटिंग हो सकता है कि भाई मेरे को पहले खिलाओ ना पूरा। सी आई एम अ प्लेयर विद 20 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे को इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर क्यों बना रहे हो? मैं ऐसा मैं कोई आई एम नॉट अ बैड।
I'll carry your argument further. It's not just psychological. When you're on the field, you're watching what's happening on the pitch. You're watching how the ball is moving. You're watching how the pitch is gripping the ball. Then you're watching the discomfort or the comfort of the batsman at close quarters. You're doing it from the stadium also, but that's far away. But when you're at mid-off, very normally, I think he's at short mid-off, or he's at cover most of the time, or sometimes the slips, depending on the field placement. He's watching that very from close quarters. That helps you to bat well. When you are in the stadium, you're not able to get the sense of the pitch or the sense of how it's moving. Is it moving through the air? What's the moisture like? All these are very critical for a batsman. That's why Mahendra Singh Dhoni's biggest plus was wicket keeper. He can observe like KL Rahul. He can observe everything at close quarters. So when they come into bat, they make their adjustment. कि ball ऐसे होने वाला है, ऐसे turn होगा, ऐसे pitch होगा. I think Rohit Sharma, and I take your point completely. He's not an impact player. He has to be there on the field 20 overs.
अगर आपको ध्यान हो निखिल, आपको ध्यान हो तो पिछली मैच में ही कन्वेड फ्रॉम द स्टेडियम कि आप इस स्पिनर को ऐसे डलवाओ मैच। रिमेंबर?
यस सर।
अगर वो वहीं, अभी क्या होता है, नाउ पीपल केम टू नो कि ये आइडिया लगाई है इसने। अभी वो कैप्टन तो हो नहीं है, लेकिन अगर ग्राउंड में होता है, अगर छह पिक्चर के बाद में देयर इज अ ब्रेक, दे कैन डिस्कस इंटरनली क्या करना है। व्हाई शुड एनीबडी नो कि इनका क्या थॉट प्रोसेस।
So the heart says Mumbai and Bengaluru,
RCB.
but the mind says Kolkata and Lucknow. What to do?
What to do? Yes, but I
even
think
in Kolkata, I find in the bowler Norje is not playing well. He is a good bowler. एक वो है क्विंटन डिकॉक, बैटिंग नहीं कर रहा है। So no, those have to click together. आप समझो, आप एक मैच में खेलो, सेकंड में नहीं खेलो, तीसरे में खेलो, चौथे में नहीं खेलो, आप खेलो ही नहीं, एक में खेलो। जैसे हाउ ही सेड 11 बॉल में 19 रन मारा, बोला मेरा काम हो गया। ऐसा थोड़ी काम।
True.
So everybody, 11 playing 11 or the 5 more 16, everybody has to gel well, or they should be able to do it that way actually। वो हिसाब से और अच्छा है। एसआर के आ नहीं रहा है स्टेडियम में, तो दे कैन परफॉर्म वेल। जिसके ओनर्स आते हैं उनकी तकलीफ है एक्चुअली।
Lucknow? Are you hinting towards Lucknow?
No, nobody else. There are so many owners who are coming.
What's your take on the 4 now?
I think ये 4 team, they'll be the troublemaker, top 3 के लिए, because they can pull somebody down, they can वो net run rate में effect ला सकते हैं। And we have seen that in the past कि ये जो after 3 जो 4 team होती है, they sort of are a trouble, like they trouble the teams कि top 4 में कौन आएगा। वो third and fourth position that plays an important role at the end of the day. So I think this to be a top mid 4 will also play an important role कि कौन सी teams है। So let's see.
True.
Yeah.
Let's hope for the best. As we said, emotionally we want both Mr. Sharma and Mr. Kohli, Rocco as they call them, to Rocco to not be stopped.
Yes.
कोई रोको ना उनको आगे जाने दो। लेकिन पता नहीं रोको को कौन रोक देगा।
नहीं I think considering Narayan sir's opinion on RCB कि एक emotional perception से ही इनको जीत जाने दो, तो I don't mind that. I don't mind winning on that pity, that line of pity.
नहीं, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था they are playing Bhagwan Bharose. You pray more than you play. PRAY then PLAY.
I'll start fasting. Okay. So दोस्तों आप बताइए आप किस
एक बात सही है,
चार्टिंग?
नहीं एक
Yes,
बात सही है, if you fast, if you fast, Mr. Salt will play.
at least.
True.
Okay then.
True.
तो आप बताइए आप किस चार टीम को देखते हैं मिड फोर में, और अगले एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे द टॉप 3 कंटेंडर्स जिसने अभी तक कंसिस्टेंसी, एफिशिएंसी, टीम टीम प्लेइंग दिखाया है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट देम लेटर. सी यू.